For auto sequence start.
And we have a go for auto sequence start. Endeavour's 4 onboard computers have primary control of all the vehicle's critical functions. T-minus 20. 15. 12. 10. 9. 8. 7. We have a go for main engine start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And liftoff of the Space Shuttle Endeavour on the first SPACEHAB mission and the retrieval of the EURECA spacecraft.
Houston is now controlling. Endeavour is rolling onto the proper heading.
Roger, roll, Endeavour.
Roll maneuvers complete, placing Endeavour and crew on a due east course. 3 good engines. Throttle settings at 100%. Main engines are throttling back now, helping to ease loads on the vehicle as it powers through the dense lower altitudes and continues to accelerate rapidly. Engine throttles are now at 72%. Endeavour's already traveling over 1,000 miles per hour. And all 3 main engines are throttling back up.
Endeavour, go at throttle up.
Roger, go at throttle up.
All engines are now running at full throttle and all systems performing well. Altitude 57,000 feet, downrange 7 nautical miles. Over the next 60 seconds, as Endeavour continues to climb at a relatively steep angle, the vehicle's rate of speed will virtually triple. The solid rocket boosters, each providing up to 3.3 million pounds of thrust, will burn out and separate at 2 minutes 4 seconds. Time now, 1 minute 45 seconds. SRB chamber pressure is beginning to diminish at this point. And we have a clean separation. Endeavour's now flying free of the solids under the power of its own main